When I run AI strategy workshops for business leaders, one of the activities we carry out during the workshop is the identification of AI opportunities, just the low-hanging fruit. And we use this worksheet to do that. It says, let's identify some AI opportunities. Now in there, the first activity they need to do is to identify workflows. The second one is to break down the workflow with the highest pain. And the third is to try and map AI solutions to the problems they've identified in their most painful workflow. In identifying the workflows, the first thing they do is give the workflow name, description, the inputs, the outputs of the workflow, and the current pains experienced. And they specify if the workflow is an internal workflow or a customer-facing workflow. And then on the last column here, they specify the pain rating. How painful is that workflow for the business? Once they do that, they kind of prioritize the most painful one and break it down. By breaking it down, they write out all the steps, or rather they draw out the steps of that workflow. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, all the way to the end of the workflow. And the reason they do this is they will try and now label each step with the data operation that takes place at that step. Now, the data operations, as part of the workshop, they learn about the circuits framework, where it helps them identify or see their business as a data machine, where you have data activities like capturing data, interpreting data, refining data, creating data, tucking data away, and sending data. So when they break down a workflow, the most painful one, they label each step with a data operation from the circuits framework. Once they complete this, the next thing is they try and map an AI solution to the workflow they've just broken down. And for the AI solutions, we have the surface level AI solutions, the deep level AI solutions, off the shelf AI tools, no code, these ones, no code AI automation, these ones form the surface level, while AI integration and building an AI model from scratch form the deep level AI solutions. But the whole idea of this third step is to get them thinking about what the pros and cons and the governance implications of these AI solutions are in their business. And at the back of the worksheet, we break the deep level and surface level AI solutions, and we have their pros and cons, right? So it gets the leaders to really think about AI and how it plugs into their business and what the implications are in terms of governance. The whole idea behind the AI strategy workshop is to get busy leaders to understand what AI is and to see how it fits their business, just for them to get some clarity. Because you can't lead an organization if you can't lead an organization to use AI, or you can't lead AI initiatives if the leaders don't even understand what AI is. So the workshop helps them achieve that. They get clarity, precision, and action on AI. If you want to try this on your own within your own organization, we don't have to do the workshop. This is available as a downloadable file which you can print or fill digitally if you want. So just click the link anywhere you're watching this video and it'll take you to a page where you can download a copy. If you are a business leader and you have very little understanding of what AI is or how it can help your business, and you believe that your business would benefit from AI one way or the other, then probably having this AI strategy workshop would help you and your team. So get to a page, I'll have the link somewhere, click it and register your interest so that we can schedule an AI strategy workshop for you and your own business leadership team.